Hello, friends! Today we're going to have so much fun learning the U family words. Un, ub, ud, and ugh. Are you ready to say them with me? Time to explore some exciting words. Let's say them together. Look up, what's shining in the sky?
Sun. The sun is bright.
Look at them go! What are they doing?
Run. I run with my dog.
Look at his toy. What is he playing with?
Gun. It's a toy gun.
Wow! What are the kids having?
Fun. We are having fun.
What is the yummy bread called?
Bun. I eat a bun.
She's kind and helpful. Do you know who she is?
Nun. She is a nun.
It's time for some snug and silly ugh words. Let's begin. What's that tiny insect crawling on the leaf?
Bug. It's a little bug.
What do we call that big cup with steam rising from it?
Mug. That's a hot drink in a mug.
What do we call it when we wrap our arms around someone with love?
Hug. The boy is giving a big hug.
What is the child using to pour juice at the tea party?
Jug. She is pouring juice from a jug.
What is the soft, colorful mat the child is lying on?
Rug. That's a rug.
Here we go with some bubbly ub words. Can you say them out loud? Look at the baby lion. What do we call it?
Cub. It's a lion cub.
Where is the cub sitting?
Tub. The cub is in the tub.
What is the child doing with the sponge?
Rub. I rubbed the cub.
Let's look at some ut words. Can you say them with me? What's this little house in the forest called?
Hut. I see a hut.
Look, she's using scissors. What is she doing?
Cut. She cut the paper.
Look what the squirrel found.
Nut. A squirrel eats a nut.
Let's learn some words today. Are you ready? Come along. Who is giving the child a big warm hug?
Mom. That's my mom.
What is he chewing that makes a big pink bubble?
Gum. He's blowing bubble gum.
What do we say when food tastes really good?
Yum. This cake is yummy.
Let's get a little muddy and learn our ud words. Say them with me. What is the child jumping in?
Mud. I play in the mud.
Look at the flower. What is it called before it blooms?
Bud. It's a flower bud.
Great job, friends! You learned so many U family words today. Keep practicing, and you'll be reading them all by yourself in no time. See you next time! Don't forget to subscribe before you go.